Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Shantae and this is Tut Tips. So my husband and I, we're on a mission to make this old bathroom look new, and this is what we came up with, and it's almost done. I'm so excited. So I'm going to show y'all the things that we've done so far. We've gotten a lot done, and the things that we plan on doing. The only thing that's not done is the shower and the whole decor and decorating the bathroom. And hopefully you can get some good ideas for your own home, for your home renovations and makeovers. So stay tuned for some ideas for your bathroom. First, I'm going to show y'all the old bathroom and what it looked like. And it was a mess before we made it look new, before we made it look newer, a little better, much better. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all what we did in here to jazz things up, what we've done so far, and all of the other stuff that we plan on doing to the bathroom. So this is one of my favorite upgrades, the bathroom door. So I didn't want just a plain door, y'all. This is an old house, so you know, we have to try to add character in our own way. And this is one of the ways that we decided to add a little character to the room. It's a frosted glass, real wood, solid wood door that I stained myself. This side came out good, y'all. I did my thing over here on this side. So this door right here, this was the first thing I've ever stained, y'all. I had a couple of boo-boos on this side of the door. That's why I don't be trying to show this spot that much, y'all. What I was working on didn't work out right, but whatever. Now I do have a couple of videos up, one on how I stained this door, which is a how-to tutorial video. The other video is just us shopping around looking for doors, so you get to see what choices we had and why we chose this one, things like that. You can't see through this glass either, this frosted glass here. Look, let me see. You got to be right up on it to see inside. And then once you do get right up on it, you still can't see everything clearly. I'll see if I can have my hubby or somebody stand on the other side so you can see exactly how it works out. All right, y'all, I'm about to have my son go in my bathroom. Come on, babe.
Yes, ma'am.
I need you to go in my bathroom so that my viewers can see what it looked like on the other side. If somebody's in there, how much can, you know, peek, how much they can see.
Make sure you're recording.
I am recording. You know what? Okay, close the door. Get up on it. Okay, yes, he right up on there. Nobody gonna be right up on there like that. Okay, walk towards the bathroom sink so they can see, so they can get an idea of what's going on here. So you can barely see anything. We have no problems with the door. Okay, moving around. So the toilet and the shower are on the opposite sides. The only thing you can see is just straight ahead in the bathroom. Okay, babe, good job. Good job. You can come on out now. I'm about 4 feet. Thanks for your help, kind sir.
I do.
You did great, babe. Thanks for your assistance. Good job. And it added a lot of personality than just throwing up a regular door here. All right, so let's go in here. Let's see what we got, what upgrades we did. All right, y'all. So, yeah, I need to update this right here. Get a nice little, if y'all seen any of my Instagram posts or social medias, y'all know that that's a big thing. I like to update my outlets, outlet switch cover plate. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all just in case you don't follow me. If you don't, y'all need to follow me. Okay, so see, yeah, I like to find little cute, stylish outlet cover plates. All right, y'all, so here is the flooring we decided to go with. Is LVP flooring, so the luxury vinyl plank flooring. Out of the whole house, this is my favorite flooring. I love that it can has all the different tones in here. Y'all know how it goes sometimes when you do renovations. You pull up the floors, you find out they uneven. Well, that's what happened with us. That's an example. That's what happened with us. That's where we had to start it before we did any renovations in this bathroom. We had to level out the floor. So that was a first for me and my family. And we did it right, y'all. So the contractor came in here to lay down the new floors, and he told us a few stories of how it goes bad and has went bad for a few of his customers. And so he praised us. So yes, pat on the back, but I don't want to have to do it again. All right, so for one of the updates, one of the issues that we were trying to eliminate was that we had some freestanding cabinets. I'll see if I have any footage or photos of what used to be right here in this spot. But it was some what I'm trying to say, y'all, freestanding cabinets right here. It took up so much room. And so we came up with adding some cabinets in here between the studs for storage. So you can see it's deeper than it looks, and I'll put a clip up here so y'all can see, and I will do a how-to video for that as well. But you know, we cut into the wall, my hubby cut into the wall and added these cabinets that we got from Lowe's. He combined something he put here to combine this to make it look smooth and as seamless as he can get it, so it can look like it's all one cabinet. And then we painted and added hardware. So this helped us out, add more space. So now I can sit my stool underneath here, trash can underneath here. We have more space. Then over here, tucked over here, we also got this toilet paper holder from Lowe's. The only thing I would say about this toilet paper holder, then up here, you know, you can just set whatever you want up here, your cell phone, whatever. I keep poopery up here, and then I keep some essential oil fragrance spray up here. And then the only thing about this toilet paper holder, y'all, is that it is square. It's not a pain at all to me, but it could be to some. Let me show you. So see, kind of bumps around a little bit. I know some people will have a problem with that. Me, I'm good. Okay, then over here, you see we just got the toilet over here. But we found this nice little toilet flush handle. I think, where did I get that from? Oh, we got that from Lowe's. Now they do have these on Amazon and other websites, so you can order some online. They have these come in a bunch of different styles. I just ordered one for my guest bathroom, and it is like a Victorian style. And it is so cute, y'all. I will show y'all that when that's done. Up here, we still haven't got to this yet. We need to change these out to black hardware to match the rest of the bathroom. I have to decide what I'm going to do on the top of these cabinets. Once I finish decorating, because I haven't done any decorating in here yet, I will post that. All right, so the shower, y'all, pay no mind. Don't look over there at that shower. We haven't did anything over there yet. So the plan for the shower is, for now, we'll probably keep everything the same except changing everything out to black hardware. The door, everything. All right, y'all, so this mirror right here, this mirror is what came with the house when we bought it. And the only thing we did was just turn it around the long way. Well, we just flipped it around so that we both could be looking into the mirror when we are at the sink. And it turned out to be the perfect size, so we have no problem with that. And here's the lighting we decided to go with up here. This lighting up here we got from Lowe's. Okay, let's see what else. My cute little vanity, y'all. I got this from the Restore. If you don't know what the Restore is, look it up. You can find a lot of cute things here. This vanity is from the Scott's Living line. And that line is Drew and Jonathan, you know, the Property Brothers from HGTV. This is their from their bathroom furniture line. So it was a few $100s cheaper since I got it from the Restore. It was perfect for this space because, as you can see, the bathroom is not tiny or very small, but it's still not huge. If we would have had something with cabinets and closed doors and all that, it would have shrunk the space up a little bit, made it seem a little smaller. And then I actually can fit a lot of stuff in here, y'all. I did do a video for everything, and so if you want to get a deeper dive to how I styled this vanity, where I got the stuff from to style it, it's not all the way done, but it was done enough for me to do a quick video to give y'all some storage ideas, some open shelving storage ideas. I have this whole wall here that I can have fun with. Got plans for it. I don't want to give nothing away. Y'all will see it when it gets done. So I would love to hear about what renovations y'all are currently working on and your own bathroom renovation experiences and ideas. So please don't forget to comment before you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up before you leave and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Get over there. Gotta go and get out of here. Hurry up, Tayshaun. Not that fast, Tayshaun. Alright, peace out.